I just wanted to make a quick video and talk about a question I've had recently, it seems like. And it's something I dealt with myself when I first started using Monat. The lids on these bottles, they're a little bit confusing and they can be a little bit of a nuisance if you don't quite know how to use it right. There's a little troubleshooting with it. I remember getting in the shower once after one of my daughters had showered and used the product. They had it sitting upside down. And I just see this really expensive conditioner leaking out into my shower, totally wasted. So it does not screw off. I mean, it does screw off all the way, but that's not how you want to be using it. So if you just turn it just a little, you kind of hear a click, get what you need, put it back on. I always double check. Is it screwed on tight? Then I set it upside down. I feel like I'm constantly checking them now just because of that issue with it running down in my shower. So if you have any more questions, always feel free to ask.